Good morning, ruffians. Well, as you can tell, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is raining there, and the camera's fogging up. 1 second. It is like 84 degrees and it feels amazing outside. This is the first time the past week I've been able to go outside and not be just, not feel horrible about it. But I'm gonna get me something to eat. It's like, the guys just left. Smith stayed the night last night. Get your ball! Zelda, get your ball! Get it! Go on, get it! Get it! Smith stayed last night. The guys have a 72 this weekend, which means they get Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. So Smith stayed the night last night. Come on, Misha. But yeah, and so I don't know if you can tell, they destroyed my house. So in 3, 2. So the guys that came back, they've been back for a few hours. And we went and got McDonald's, and we've been drinking a little. What?
What? Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
What? What? And we're gonna do a drinking game, but we can't decide which show to do it. The guys was going to do a Rick and Morty drinking game, but I don't know if Rick and Morty is on Netflix.
I got my hard drive.
But I've been drinking a little. Some redheaded stepchild is what we call the drink. And so, yeah.
Every time someone dies.
What are you doing, Bob?
Drinking. Gonna watch Happy Tree Friends.
What's the game?
Anytime something dies.
Anytime someone dies, we drink.
Yep.
Yep, and I need more alcohol.
So, yeah, I totally forgot to do a Good Night Ruffians. So, Good Night Ruffians. We love ya. We'll see you in the morning. Good night, kids.